Hi everybody, I just wanted to jump on here really quickly. The actual voiceover will start in a second, but I wanted to say that if the voiceover seems a little bit off, it is because I had really wanted to get this video up the week of 4th of July, so I edited it, I did the voiceover, I did the whole thing like while I was on vacation, and then when I actually went to upload it, the files had corrupted, so I had to re-edit the entire thing together again and then put the voiceover that I did before back over it, so if it seems a little off, that is why. But yeah, hopefully you don't notice too much, and I hope you enjoy. Hi everybody, this is Lauren of planmoshplan. Welcome back to a plan with me. I am using this Happy 4th kit from Melo Paper Studio. It's the first time I'm using a kit from Melo Paper Studio, but I was super excited about it. I think it's a really beautiful photo kit. I love the photos. It really matched up with how I spend my 4th of July, which is every year we go up, and both my family and my fiance's family have cabins up in Lake Tahoe, and we split our time between our families celebrating. So it's very foresty lake feel. I don't know, I loved it. This, you may notice that it is this is not a rewind plan with me, which is kind of crazy because that's what I've been doing and that's what I've been liking to do. And I'm still trying to catch up on Plan With Me's from, I think I'm into May, that I'm still, I'm halfway through May, so I'm way far behind, but I don't really love being that far behind. I like generally rewind planning just the past week, not the past month and a half, so I'm hoping that instead of continuing to get further behind, I can do some of I don't know, jump back and forth between planning the last week and also just catching up on the month before that I haven't planned. I really wanted to just do this particular plan with me. I did on Tuesday, which is when I left for Tahoe. So I filmed it Tuesday. So 2 of the days are rewind planned, and then the rest is plan ahead, which I was gone on vacation. I'm in Tahoe as we speak. So if you can hear any sounds behind me, I have the window open and there's birds chirping outside. It's lovely, but anyways, the point of that is that I didn't really have any plans to plan ahead, so it's kind of bare, but I thought that I just wanted to put up something festive and put my 4th of July kit or Plan With Me up the week of 4th of July, just so it's still interesting. And I was excited just to get myself in the own kind of festive mood. So far what I've done is put down some of the date covers. I used the ones from the kit, and then the transparent date dots are, obviously I'm using silver foil. Those date dots I think are from Jackson Pepper. I used just some white Clever Gal Crafts flags with silver foil, and then I cut the bottom washi in half and used half of the flag washi and then half of the Memorial Day Simply Gilded washi. I think it's called Patriotic or something. It's red with silver heart bows, or no, silver bows, so I use that a lot throughout the week, both the large size and the mini size. I got the mini kit, I think, version of this kit from Melo Paper Studio, so it didn't have any check boxes, and what I decided to do was I took this kind of whited out full box and I just layered a checklist flag over top of it to make a checklist, and then I took a header from what is that shop? Oh, Rose Colored Days. And then, it looks like I'm jumping around. I did that a lot, I realized. I think because I was super rushed. I was literally it was after work. We were literally waiting on my laundry to be finished before we left for work, and so I was just trying to plan as fast as I could so I could get this out, and then I'm doing this voiceover in Tahoe. I'm hopefully going to upload it in Tahoe, but anyways, all that to say, I was super rushed when I was doing all this, so yeah, and I was just trying to figure out the sidebar. I didn't have any typical sidebar stickers, so like I said, I kind of made my own checklist, and then there was 9 full boxes in this kit, so I used one of them at the bottom, and then I'm just kind of strategically placing the rest of them, and then I used a lot of the Simply Gilded washi in the sidebar. By the way, I love the green photo with the bubbles. I think that that's so cute. I really wanted 4th of July kits that had some non-standard 4th of July color with them, and this one was perfect. I already said that, but yeah, so anyways, so I put one of the full boxes down there because I wasn't going to track my work hours in this planner. I'll just do it in my Rewind Plan with Me because that's more of a tracking thing. And then the little, it's not quite a half box and it's not quite a quarter box, it's somewhere in between, maybe like third box. I just marked, I forgot to put it in the video, but I just ended up putting a white heart from Clever Gal Crafts and marking that I was going to be in Tahoe this week. Over the full boxes, I kind of sped this part up pretty fast, but I put silver foiled headers from Magic Print Studio, I think that's how you say it, over the full boxes, and then I put To Do and Today red and blue headers over some of the other boxes, and then just some plain headers over the rest. Okay, so on Monday, I'm marking that my health insurance bill was due. That silver foiled bill due script is from Arctic Paper Studio, and the flag is from the kit. And then I'm taking a paper clip from Arctic Paper Studio that again is silver foiled. You can't see the foil right now, but it is, to mark that my time card was due as always. And then I am taking this laundry line kind of sticker from My Newest Addiction, layered over a piece of washi to mark that I did laundry. I think I did laundry every day for like a week leading up to this, including Tuesday, and I didn't mark it every day, but anyways. Okay, and then I am marking down my work. I took a work script from Arctic Paper Studio, and really I'm just marking my meetings down. I only had meetings on Tuesday and Monday and Tuesday this week, so that's been really nice. It's now Thursday, and I am doing this voiceover on my lunch break while working remotely in Tahoe, so that's pretty fun. But yeah, I had one meeting on Tuesday, and Monday I just used a I cut the checklist down to one heart to mark that. And then I painted my nails. I'm trying to remember where that red nail polish is from. I want to say Wild Summer Designs. That may be wrong. And then I'm taking this film script and a Simply Gilded washi sticker, which is cute because I used that actual Simply Gilded washi in this spread. So I thought that was cute. But anyways, I used that to mark that I filmed. I finished filming the YouTube haul, which I've never done before, and I'm like really nervous to do that because it's so bad. Like I sound so awkward and uncomfortable doing it. But I filmed it, and I think I finished editing it on Monday. No, I still have to edit it. Anyways, that's what I was filming. I took this, the small Simply Gilded washi and a flag from the kit to mark that I was leaving for Tahoe on Tuesday, and to just mark that the span of when I'd be there. I actually forgot to put it on the second half of the week, but I will do that when I kind of fill in and rewind plan it. And then again, I just cut down a checklist and used the work script from Arctic Paper Studio or Company, I can never remember, to mark my meetings on Tuesday. I took this marbled paper clip, super cute, from GP Sticker Studio, and a film foiled sticker from Magic Prints to mark that I filmed the plan with me, like I mentioned. And then I'm taking this Longchamp bag. I actually have that bag. It's with me, sitting next to me right now. Same color and everything. That sticker is from Paper Studio, but I used that to mark that I wanted to pack. Well, I had to pack on Tuesday also. And then I also took a header just to kind of finish the box off, so the bottom dots weren't showing. I marked 4th of July on Wednesday with a firework half box that was super cute, and then the this kind of like Rose Colored Days holiday script, I guess. I don't know what to call it. But yeah, to mark the holiday. I had a great 4th of July. I hope everyone else did too. We were up in Tahoe. I went boating, and we went and got drinks and played badminton, and we had our annual barbecue, and I don't know, great day, super fun. Watched fireworks, of course. I was exhausted by the time the fireworks came around. Oh my goodness, I was falling asleep on the couch, but I did it. I got up. Oh yeah, and then I marked that I had the day off with another script from Arctic Paper Studio and a flag from the kit. So Thursday's today. I used a coffee cup from Paper Studio to mark that we woke up early, which we did. We were with my family yesterday, and then I'm using that foiled car from a rose colored day sampler to mark that we woke up early and we drove to my fiance's family cabin, which is on the other side of the lake, this morning. And then I'm marking that I'm working from home today and tomorrow, Thursday and Friday. First I used these silver glitter clips from GP Sticker Studio, but there isn't any silver glitter in this kit, so I didn't like how it looked. So instead I'm using these foiled laptop icons, circle icons from White Deer Stationery. And then Friday is my payday, so I'm taking a foiled payday money kind of, I don't know, icon thing to mark, layered with an arrow from the kit to mark payday. I rarely use kits that have green in it, so that worked out well. That's what I decided to do. And then I don't really have plans for the rest of the week. It's just going to be like beach and hike and boating and whatever. So the only thing I have left is I'm marking that we're driving home on Sunday. And we're going to have to get groceries. So the grocery cart is from Sticky Sloth Designs, and the house icon was from the Rose Color Day Sampler. So that's everything. I know this is like a super short plan with me, but I really enjoyed it. It was kind of fun to like half memory plan and half plan ahead. Let me know if you guys like these, so I'm kind of like more talking about what the week that I'm in, if you're interested in that, or if you prefer my rewind plan with me. It doesn't matter to me. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you had a happy 4th. Thanks. Bye.